Namaste and welcome to lecture 10 of factors and multiples. Today we will be doing some sums on the divisibility rules. Okay, so the first example is a number is divisible by both 5 and 12. Okay, then by which other number will that number be always divisible? Now see, let us understand the sum first. They have said a number is divisible by 5 and 12 both. The meaning of this is, let A be the number divisible by 5 and 12. Okay. Then we have to find some other number, okay, by which this A is always divisible. Correct? So let the other number be C. That means it is said that find this number so that A should be divisible by C. See, this is just an explanation, not the method. So please don't write all these things when the sum is asked to you. Now what we will do, see. Here just recall the rule number 2 of the last to last lecture, right? We have done some more divisibility rules. What does that rule tells us? That if a number is divisible by two co-prime numbers, then it is divisible by their product also. This is what rule number 2 tells us. Okay, the meaning of this is, if a number is divisible by two co-prime numbers, here we have seen that A is divisible by 5 and 12. 5 and 12 are the co-prime numbers here because they have only one common factor, and that is 1. Now they have said that this number will be divisible by their product also. So let us write down the product of 5 and 12, that is 5 into 12, which is equal to 60. Okay, this 60 is nothing but the number C by which A is divisible. Okay, so now we can say that A is divisible by 60 also. Okay, this is what the sum is asking from us. Now, how will you write the solution? The proper answer is, when this kind of sums are asked, you have to write that as a number is divisible by both 5 and 12, so the other number by which that number will be divisible is 5 into 12, which is equal to 60. Okay, this is the proper answer which you need to write it down. Let us take another example of the same sum, but we will take another two prime numbers. Here I will write the two prime numbers, co-prime numbers. Two co-prime numbers are 3 and 4. Okay, now you know the sum, the statement is written above. So here the solution will be what? Suppose the same thing, suppose I am saying that A is divisible by 3 and 4 both. Okay, then it will be also divisible with their product. So 3 into 4 is equal to 12. Therefore, A will also be divisible by 12. Okay. The answer you have to write it the same way which I have shown you above. Next example. Now here two co-prime numbers were given, but if the product is given, then what? See, a number is divisible by 15. Here 15 is the product of two co-prime numbers, okay? Then by what other numbers will that number be divisible? Now first we were just giving the answer by finding the product of two co-prime numbers. Now here we will find the two co-prime numbers of 15. So here 15. So the factors are 3 into 5. Okay. So this 15 is divisible by 3 and 5 both. Here 3 and 5 are two co-prime numbers by which 15 is divisible. Okay, so they can ask you either ways, either the product is given or the prime number, co-prime numbers are given to us. Okay, now one more example. If I am the smallest number having 4 different prime factors, okay, then what it is asked? Can you find me? It is so easy. See, it is it is already given to us that is the smallest number having 4 different prime factors. Prime factors, okay. So I will like first 4 prime numbers for this. Prime numbers, or let us write first 4 prime numbers, the 4 different small prime numbers are 2, 3, 5 and 7, and so the required number will be 2 into 3 into 5 into 7. This is, I will take this to first, 10 into 21 because this will make easy in calculation. So 210 is the required number. Correct? This kind of sums can be asked and you should practice it. Please do these sums again and again. Okay? I end my lecture over here. Thank you very much.